let's build a log cabin. Here you can see we're starting to work on the second course. He is literally just gathering the logs and putting them up, kind of lining them where they need to go. These logs are very, very, very heavy, and especially when they get wet. So it's kind of difficult to try and maneuver them around. Here you can just see he's like sliding them. Once he finally gets those all up there, he also created this little sawhorse spoolie system for the backer rod, which is the gray foam insulation that kind of goes in that little groove. Just kind of helps protect the logs and keep everything insulated and nice and sealed. And then you can see he's going down and actually turning the logs over and onto the first course. Next day, we determined that we are probably going to need just some, makeshift stairs. Again, just going through and laying more backer rod.
Every butt joint, that's what this is, where two logs meet each other. You're gonna measure 2 inches from the ends. From this measurement on, you go every 18 inches every other side of the log. I go 18, 36, and then mark the other side. And then I move the tape and start back over because I'm dumb and I can't do math past 36. This bottom row is cut a little bit shorter than this top one, and that's so we can put our wiring and outlet boxes in here and not have to have an unsightly amount of trim around it. So if I put a leg here, it's going to go straight through and not grab the bottom course. Mark 1.5 inches.
And he also used the chalk line there just so he knew exactly where to screw in those lags. Alright, and then you can just see him screwing in the lags here. He has the level there just to make sure everything stays as level as it possibly can.
I learned it's really hard to pick up these logs. The downside is it does kind of make an indentation on the log, but it's nearly impossible to get your hands underneath these things.
Here we go again, you think by now I know better. Locked in my head, romanticizing forever. Last love I found, knees met the ground and all my roses died. Swore I would.
Yeah, this is a good example of setting the third course and using those logs to kind of roll it into place. You have to be very careful on how you put the logs down. You don't want to slide them too much because you don't want to kink up the backer rod or tear it. The backer rod is supposed to be just one solid piece.
I was through, but looking at you, I think I changed my mind. Yeah, let's fall in love for the fun of it. Dive in at first and all of it. Oh, what a rush looking into your eyes. Playing it off like it's different this time. Let's break our own hearts for the fun of it. One look and I'm dying to run the risk. I'll live in your head for the rest of your life. Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? My God, don't we look good together? I should be running away, but so what?
The way these work is that they're 6 inches long. The width of the log itself is 6 inches, so that would bottom out, right? They recommend that you over drill the hole by about 1/2 inch. I don't know if you can really see it there, but my blue tape here is a 1/2 inch deeper, so that extra 1/2 inch goes into the next log below it.
Won't you be my hopeless Valentine? My God, don't we look good together?
And then they want you to seal it with some sort of acrylic
I should
on the walls so it kind of rides down as you drive it. And they tell you to put it on the end grain, get it started, drive it home. And then I use an extra dowel to recess it down in. Fill the bottoms out. That's it.
Yeah, let's fall in love for the fun of it. Dive in at first and all of it. Oh, what a rush looking into your eyes. Playing it off like it's different this see it. All reason and logic cut their losses. Yeah, let's fall in love for the fun of it. Diving at first into all of it. Oh, what a rush looking into your eyes, playing it off like it's different this time. Let's break our own hearts for the fun of it. One look and I'm dying to run the risk. I'll live in your head for the rest of your life. Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? Ooh. Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? Ooh. Oh, won't you be my hopeless Valentine? For a minute in the quiet, it feels
That log stacking method is tedious and you had to move it every time. So we bought this lift table. It's not perfect. It'll get us up to the 8th course, which is 4 feet high.
I can sit and cry about reasons why I'm in this mess. But what good is that? What a waste of breath. It's a fine line thinking about the words unsaid and setting me free from my chest. I feel so low. I'm not myself. I feel so low. I'm not myself. Was it something in the wind? Was it meant to be pulled apart from everything I knew, like golden leaves when it's their time to fall? But I didn't want to feel this way. Tired of being out of place. Give me a one-way ticket out of here someplace. I know I can't be happy. It's not in my...
Alright guys, I think that is about it. If you enjoyed this video, please like and follow for more. We plan to upload shorts on Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays, and then we will do a main video like this. Our goal is to do about once a month on Sundays. So hope you all enjoy. Thank you. Bye-bye.